At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Embarking on the journey of starting a factory business requires careful planning and strategic execution. Whether you're venturing into manufacturing or scaling up your operations, these top 10 tips will guide you through the crucial steps to ensure a smooth and successful launch. 1. Thorough market research. Begin by understanding the demand for your products in the market. Conduct comprehensive research on your target audience, competitors, and industry trends to identify opportunities and challenges. 2. Define your niche. Specialize in a specific product or industry niche to carve out your unique identity. Focusing on a niche allows you to streamline operations, optimize resources, and build a strong brand presence within that specific market segment. 3. Create a solid business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, financial projections, and operational strategies. A well-structured plan serves as a roadmap for your business and helps secure funding from potential investors or lenders. 4. Invest in quality equipment. Ensure your factory is equipped with high-quality machinery and technology that aligns with your production needs. Investing in efficient and modern equipment not only enhances productivity but also reduces the risk of operational setbacks. 5. Compliance with regulations. Understand and comply with local, state, and federal regulations governing your industry. This includes obtaining necessary permits, adhering to environmental standards, and implementing safety protocols to ensure legal compliance and operational sustainability. 6. Build a skilled workforce. Recruit and train a skilled workforce capable of handling the intricacies of your manufacturing process. A well-trained team contributes to efficient production, maintains product quality, and fosters a positive working environment. 7. Implement sustainable practices. Incorporate sustainable and environmentally friendly practices into your operations. Consumers increasingly value eco-conscious businesses, and adopting sustainable practices not only benefits the environment but also enhances your brand image. 8. Establish supply chain partnerships. Forge strong relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure a steady and cost-effective supply chain. Maintaining consistent access to raw materials is crucial for avoiding production delays and meeting customer demands. 9. Utilize technology for efficiency. Embrace technology to optimize production processes, monitor inventory, and enhance overall efficiency. Implementing advanced software and automation tools can significantly improve productivity and reduce operational costs. 10. Focus on marketing and branding. Develop a strong marketing and branding strategy to create awareness and demand for your products. Utilize digital marketing, social media, and other channels to reach your target audience and build a loyal customer base. Conclusion. Starting a factory business demands meticulous planning and execution. By incorporating these top 10 tips into your business strategy, you can navigate challenges effectively, ensure sustainable growth, and establish a thriving presence in the competitive manufacturing landscape. Commitment to quality, innovation, and adaptability will be key in building a successful factory business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.